Most businesses don't fail because of money, they fail because of strategy. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 business strategies successful brands use to grow faster, attract customers, and make consistent income. If you're building a business, creating content, or trying to turn your passion into profit, strategy matters more than motivation. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful business phrases. Here are some strategies you can start using immediately, whether you're a beginner or already growing your brand online. Clear positioning strategy. Know exactly who you serve. Most creators try to speak to everyone. Successful businesses speak to one clear audience. Let's talk about defining your niche. Your niche is the specific area you focus on. Next, identify your ideal customer. Authoritatively solve one main problem for them. That's your value. I help small creators build profitable personal brands. Instead of saying, I help everyone grow online, be specific. Say, I help small creators build profitable personal brands. I help small business owners who struggle with marketing. I solve the problem of inconsistent customer growth. The result is a predictable stream of new clients. Let's talk about a value-first content strategy. It's about building trust before selling. People buy from brands they trust. By focusing on providing real value, you create loyal customers and a strong brand. People buy from brands they trust. That's why a value-first content strategy is so powerful. By providing value up front, you build trust before selling. Let's break down the 70-20-10 rule for effective teaching. Core education. This is the key information your audience needs. 20% is storytelling. Share relatable examples to make it stick. Today, a simple but powerful framework. Authority builds trust and trust drives sales. First, establish authority by sharing your knowledge. This naturally builds trust with your audience. Many businesses fail because they don't design clear offers. In this video, I'll share my 3 framework for creating offers that sell. Crafting selling section. Third, price it based value. Offer strategy, how you make money. Many businesses fail because they don't design clear offers. Let's build a value ladder to guide your customers. Start with free content, then a low-cost product, next your core offer, and finally a premium service. This creates a journey that maximizes your revenue. Here's how to guide customers upward. Start with free videos, an ebook or course, then a coaching program, and finally consulting. I will sell randomly. Guide customers upward through a clear value ladder. Audience relationship strategy. Community beats followers. Followers don't equal customers, relationships do. Reply to comments, ask questions, use polls, build an email list. Engagement builds loyalty. Loyalty builds revenue. 5, systems and scaling strategy. Work smarter, not harder. Growth happens when systems replace hustle. Let's talk about automating your business. First, content scheduling. Third, email follow-ups. And fourth, analytics tracking. Automate these and save out every week. It's that simple. Here's a simple workflow. Create once, repurpose everywhere. For example, 1 YouTube video becomes 5 TikToks, 3 Reels, Pinterest pins, and Twitter posts. This approach saves time and expands your reach. If this helped you understand business strategy better, subscribe and follow because I share tactical systems that help creators and entrepreneurs grow smarter, not harder.